Hello, good morning student. How's your life? I hope you are great today. And now, I'm so pleased to meet you. Student, do you know the Majapahit Kingdom? Yes, good. And do you know where is the center of Majapahit Kingdom? Great, you're right. And I will like to tell you about the history of Majapahit Kingdom. So, here we go. Majapahit is a kingdom center in East Java, which was founded around 1293 to 1500. This kingdom reached its peak of glory and great empire that controlled a large area in the archipelago during the reign of Hayam Wuruk, who ruled from 1350 until 1399. The Majapahit Empire was the last Hindu-Buddhist kingdom to rule the archipelago and is considered to be one of the largest countries in Indonesia history. Its power lies in Java, Sumatra, and Malay Peninsula, Kalimantan, and eastern Indonesia, although its territory is still disputed geographically. Location of the Majapahit Kingdom is very strategic because of its wide river basin, namely the Brantas and Bengawan Solo rivers, as well as its navigable tributaries upstream. The name of king who ruled the Majapahit Kingdom were as follows. First, Raden Wijaya 1293 until 1309. Second, Jayanegara 1309 until 1328. Next, Tribhuwana Tunggadewi 1300 to 28 until 1350. And the last, Hayam Wuruk 1315 until 1389. Relate to the release of Majapahit, there are many relics which we can now include Penataran Temple Blitar, the Book of Negara Kartagama written by Empu Prapanca, the Sutasoma book written by Empu Tarantular, the Book of Prapanca which tell the kings of Singosari and Majapahit, the Book of Sundayana which tell the event of Bubat War. Okay student, that's all of history of Majapahit Kingdom. Based on our discussion, Majapahit is a kingdom, a center in East Java and save a lot of story there. Do you agree with me? Great. Okay student, that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivated. See you next time. Bye. Good morning student. How's your life? I hope you are great today. And now I'm so pleased to meet you. Student, did you know in Indonesia there is a lot of social diversity? Great, you're right. In Indonesia, there is a lot of social diversity. But do you know what factor affects social diversity? Not yet? Okay, don't worry. because I will like to tell you about the factor affecting social diversity in Indonesia. Factor affecting social diversity of Indonesia. There is much diversity in Indonesia, such as the diversity of tribes, language, religion, and culture. Some factors are as follows. 1. Strategic position of Indonesia. Indonesia is in a strategic location, which is between the two Pacific Oceans and the Indian Oceans. Also, the two continents of Asia and Australia resulted in Indonesia territory becoming an international trade route. Trade traffic also influences their culture on Indonesia culture. The arrival of foreign national of different race, the settling in Indonesia resulted in a diversity of races, religion, and language. 2. Indonesia condition as an island country. As an archipelago, Indonesia consists of thousands of islands that are physically separated. This situation hampers relation between the people from the different islands. Every community in the archipelago develops their own culture so as to make culture very diverse between islands is Indonesia. And the last, the difference of natural conditions. Indonesian territory is very large and spread throughout. The territory of Indonesia is also influenced by condition of geographical difference or natural factor. The diversity of ethnic group and culture occurs due to location of the territory of Indonesia, which consists of archipelago. There are even some islands that are remote and cannot to be to other areas. The separated territories cause various difference and give rise to diversity of ethnic group and culture. Of course, each ethnic group has its own characteristic both in social and cultural aspect. Okay student, that's all of factor affecting social diversity in Indonesia. Based on our discussion, there are several factors and influence social diversity of Indonesia. The first, strategic position of Indonesia. Second, Indonesia condition as an island country and the difference of natural condition. Do you agree with me? Great. Okay student, thanks for listening to me. Keep motivated. See you next time. Bye.